Hi guys, we're going to show you a little bit of Fortuna Pond in Yuma, Arizona. This is just one of the entrances down into the camping area. This is BLM land. You can camp here for 14 days. The pond is actually on the left. If they didn't have all that cattails growing there, you'd be able to see the pond really well. As we kind of continue around the corner here, you're going to see some low branches. I wouldn't want to bring RV in from that entrance. There are a couple other entrances. The one down by the pump would probably be the best. Right there on the left are some really good spots to camp, as well as right there on the right. There's a dumpster and a porta potty here. Okay, we got Randy and Lance playing a little wishy-washy.
I gotta slow them down now. There's too much dirt on those washers. They're slippery now. Oh, there's Leaner.
This is Lance's first time on a paddleboard. He looks to be doing pretty good.
Eddie.
Little Parker's just having a grand time digging that hole, trying to find a critter under there. Good morning. Here's what we see when we open the front door. Really a nice view. See, Dan's out and about this morning. And we got Dory right in front of us. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Dory. How are ya? So beautiful here. Good morning. How are you?
And right up here we got Rady traveling with the graham cracker. And there's Jake. And then just past Rady we got Randy. And you'll see his clam. Now let's turn around and head back down and see what's going on.
Boy, it's a beautiful morning.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's going the right way.
Oh no, Margie.
That's okay, it's empty. I already drank it all. Thanks for watching.